Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about unordered exception bit. How we can use this unordered exception bit in S7-300 PLC. But before we get started on today's video, if you love our videos, be sure to click the like button below. Then make sure to click subscribe and the little bell to receive notifications of new Parveen Automations. This way, you'll never miss other one. I will open my schematic manager software, and here we will design this program. First of all, this old program, that's no problem, leave it this one. In next second row we will choose the, but how this one, when I click it upside the unordered exception bit, here you can see the description exception bit unordered, and if we go to the description, just click it on this one and you will be got this description of unordered exception bit. What he says, negative exception bit unordered contact symbols are used to recognize if the math function with floating point numbers in unordered, meanings whether one of the values in the math function is an invalid floating point number. But he says if any value which is invalid yani means infinite numbers or some, so after this status will be work. This exception bit unordered stands for status bit. Status bit means any indication when something wrong in your program any happens. After this bit will be give the signal, indicate, alarm, signal, or you any command if you like to be used you can use. So also in next he says if the result of math function with floating point numbers u o is invalid, the signal state scan is 1. Means if unordered this any value in the program or which you are using in the program, after this will be goes into one condition state. If the logic operation in CC1 and used in series, the result of the scan is linked to the RLO by AND operation. Used in parallel, it is linked to the RLO by OR. So this example also he shows in the video, this manual. So physically we will used in the program. For an example, here we will be try to learn with the division command. For example, I will take it one here division command, and one we will take the close contact. In next row we will choose this one unordered exception bit, and one output we will be choose. If you like to be use with SCADA, you can use internal memory, and if you like to be use some just any for testing, no problem, physical addresses you can use. And one bit also I will take for this one in next network. We will choose this both, so you will be understand this is close contact, and one output also we will be take for this one means any Q0.4 for example, and this address we will be take for Q0.3 an example 3 to 4 we can use. Means when this is, if this bit will be, this is some happens coming, this close contact will be into high and this will be into go to, yani means this is on and this will be off. This will be continuously on close contact. This close contact you understand when yani power is coming, this close contact and your Q0.0 will be continues on, and you can show on the status this is your program is running healthy. And if is some problem coming, after this will be go to stop, any you can generate alarm or something, you can show this is the problem. An example I0.2 I will choose it here. This is any you can choose. And for example here is integer address we have to be write MW 5 for example I will write, and here we will take the for example MW10, and our LO result we will be taking the MW15, and this program we will be download to the PLC and make the monitor. And now it's you can see this is the unordered exception bit is now continuously on because of there is nothing any values, means when 0 divide by 0 any not have option 0, any result is 0, so this is the infinited value, so this is showing any on, and this bit you can see this is now 0, this is not on because of this is we are using the close contact. This both functions you can use. An example here we will some give the value, for example 234 value if we will give at the MW5, and here you can see the 0, this is look like unordered exception yani value. I will put for example here 2, and as I put the value 2 you can see is answer coming, and this is unordered yani value is not finished, and this now output is off. And this bit you can see this is first this is close, now this is goes to high, this is totally working. This nature you can see this is the behave of this outputs close and open contact is totally is different, this is open, this is close, and here this is also you can both you can use in the program, this is depend on your choice. This means any values, for example this value is coming from the outside, and here you will multiply making and continue it will be making the multiply and give the result at the output. In previous this overflow functions working output of the working about with the output address, but this is the working in the input address. For example here some value 1 if also have no problem, this will be working, this one address is giving, and one address we will giving an exception means 0 for example 0 when we give, so this 0 equal with the divide by 0 and answer is 0, so this is the infinite means which cannot be calculated. So which value which is we cannot be calculated, that value can be any is infinite, and this will be go to the make it on this command, and after this will be show us some have problem, after you can solve or move value or whatever which you like to be do. As you see this is the which good value coming, after this will be goes to off, and this value is now on because of this is close contact and this is the open contact. Again I will put one infinite value, for example 0, can see this is now goes to off and this is now goes to on. So this way any inside the program if you like to be indicate, if you like to show the status our program is working proper, there is nothing have any problem, so this way you can choose this the command UO unordered exception bit. So hope guys you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything you can send me the message in comment section, I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.